The videos on this channel have been prepared to give you the summary information you need during your traveling. By downloading the free travel checklist in the description section to your phone, you can easily access the essential information you may need on your trip. Sydney is the largest city and capital of Australia. America usually take 14-16 hours, while the distance to Europe is around 20 hours. Transportation to the Far East usually requires a 10-12 hour flight. Sydney is a popular tourist destination both in Australia and worldwide. General information. Sydney is located on the eastern shore of the Pacific Ocean and is home to the famous Sydney Opera House and the Sydney Harbour Bridge. The climate is generally mild and humid. Summers are hot and dry while winters are mild and wet. The best time to visit is spring and summer, September through February. The currency is the Australian dollar AUD, and $1 is approximately equivalent to 150 Australian dollars. Holiday advice. Natural beauties. Explore Sydney's spectacular beaches and natural parks such as Bondi and Manly beaches. Cultural events. Catch a performance at the Sydney Opera House or climb the Harbour Bridge. Water sports. Sail, surf, or take a boat trip for whale watching. Top 5 best dishes. Meat pie. The traditional Australian dish is a pie filled with meat and gravy, AUD 5/8. Barbecue. Enjoy barbecue at local restaurants or on the beaches. Enjoy fresh seafood. 20-35 AUD. Lamington. A sweet snack consisting of pieces of cake covered in coconut and chocolate. 3-5 AUD. Vegemite. A typical Australian snack spread on bread and offering a local flavor. 2-4 AUD. Pavlova. A light and creamy dessert, pavlova is garnished with various fruits and is usually served on special occasions. AUD 7-12. Top 5 restaurants. Quay. Located on Sydney Harbour, famous for its spectacular views and high-quality food. Google score 4.55. Tetsuya's. An upscale restaurant in the city centre featuring a fusion of Japanese and Australian cuisine. Google score 4.65. Bennelong, an iconic restaurant serving modern Australian cuisine located in the Sydney Opera House. Google score 4.55. Bourke Street Bakery, a bakery located in various parts of the city famous for its fresh bread and pastries. Google score 4.55. Mr. Wong, a restaurant in the CBD serving Chinese cuisine with a modern twist. Google score 4.45. Top 5 places to visit. Sydney Opera House. The symbol of the city, one of the most famous opera houses in the world. Sydney Harbour. The heart of the city, famous for its scenery, restaurants, and events. Bondi Beach. A popular beach for surfing, swimming, or just sunbathing. Royal Botanic Gardens, a relaxing park famous for its natural beauty and plant diversity. Taronga Zoo, a great place to observe Australia's unique wildlife. Top 5 Hotel. Park Hyatt Sydney, a luxury hotel located on Sydney Harbour. Google score 4.65. Shangri-La Hotel Sydney, famous for its views and comfortable rooms. Google score 4.35. Intercontinental Sydney, a prestigious hotel located in the city centre. Google score 4.35. The Langham Sydney, an elegant hotel located on the outskirts of the city. Google score 4.65. QT Sydney, a modern hotel in the heart of the city. Google score 4.65. Transport choices. Bus and train. The city's extensive public transportation network makes getting around the city easy. Ferry. Ideal for traveling along the harbour and offers great views. Walking and cycling. Walking or cycling can be enjoyable in some parts of the city. Some popular posts on social media. Thank you for watching.